arrow key isn't working in Microsoft Excel, and here is how to solve it. Let's get started. Suppose you select a cell. Let's say it's D4. If I press the right arrow to go to the next cell, which is E4, it's not working. Even the up or down arrow isn't working. Instead, it's scrolling. Now, the main reason for this is the scroll lock button. Okay, we have to ensure if our scroll lock is on or off. So for that, right click on the status bar, and here you have scroll lock and which is on. And for future reference, I'm going to check mark this. So whenever the scroll lock button is on, it should display here scroll lock. So now I have to turn it off. Usually most of the keyboard has a specific button saying scroll lock, but if you don't have your scroll lock button in your keyboard, you can use the on-screen keyboard to switch off scroll lock. For that, go to Start and then search on-screen keyboard. Click here, and here is your on-screen keyboard, and here you can see the scroll lock button is already highlighted because it's turned on. So click here and close it, and here we don't have scroll locks. That means the scroll lock is turned off. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.